Ducati may get all the name recognition, but true motor enthusiasts know Italian maker Aprilia for its long history in racing and track-focused road legal offerings. The Tuono 660 takes Aprilia well-loved RS 660 and removes the bodywork for naked look, while keeping the performance that makes the RS 661 of the top bikes in its class. The same twin-spar aluminum frame and 95 horsepower parallel twin-engine keep the Tuono 660's weight at a scan for over 3 pounds. Full Aprilia throttle ride control electronic suite is standard, with X level of traction and wheelie control, adjustable engine braking, EBS and 5 engine lamps, just to cover most of the settings. Sunset Black, Iridium Grey and Acid Gold colorways will be available when the bikes launch at the end of the first quarter 2021. Thank you very much for visiting this channel. Please subscribe and like for the update.